Today, I'm going to show you the jump rope, okay? This is the string for the jump rope, okay?
Yeah.
I just disattach it. So normally it was in here and then you attach it. So it comes with a semi jump rope, okay? So here, I am going to show you what this does. So I attach the semi jump rope, okay? You can do like this too. Whoop. Okay. It also comes with a timer. So here we go, 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 here we go. So instead of having the jump rope, whoo, so cool. And then you can, whoo, good for the hand. You see the hand shaking? Oh, whoa. Good exercise. So here we go again. Skip to me low. Woo. How do you like it? How do you like it? I'm jumping my way. Yes, jumping my way. Ooh. How many pounds I lost? I can tell you. Ooh. I lost 4 pounds. Jumping my way. I eat less and move more. Yes, I eat that. Ooh. Water me. I'm not done yet. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. Ooh. I take a little bitters. And boy, let me tell you, granny bitters, no normal. Bitter, yeah? I know the taste in my mouth. Taste bitter.